video will explain the step-by-step installation process of D3D Wireless Panoramic 360 fisheye IP camera. With one-touch Wi-Fi setting, installation process is very easy and takes only 5 minutes. D3D Wireless Panoramic 180 fisheye IP camera is supplied with power adapter, user manual, wall mounting kit and screws. Using the adapter, connect the camera with power supply. Search and install IPC 360 mobile application on your mobile phone. Open the mobile application and click on Sign Up. Select country, type email ID and click on Obtain button. Check your email ID for the verification code. Enter verification code and press Next. On next screen type a new password for the mobile app. Now log in with register email ID and password. Click on plus icon to add camera. Make sure your Wi-Fi network name is displayed in SSID section. You should be able to hear a beep sound from camera. When the sound comes from camera, click the button. Type your camera name and click on OK button. Installation of D3D Panoramic camera is now completed. Using the mounting kit supplied with the pack, camera can be installed on wall or table. Now you are ready to see the 3D view of your world. There is no need to install multiple CCTV cameras. With a single D3D panoramic camera you can see each and every corner of your house and business. Multiple display formats provide 3D surveillance.